Gail and I went to high school together. She was one of the smartest people in the class, one of the most active. She was a natural-born leader. I think we all recognize that Gail was destined for greatness.
Both of us grew up in Colorado. I've crossed paths with Gail for most of my life, but we really came to know one another when we were both engaged in our professional lives in Colorado starting in the mid-70s.
Gail cares enormously about her community, whether it's a neighborhood or a city or our state or a nation, or for that matter, the planet. She really wants to make her environment a better place. And that drives a lot of what Gail does.
My name is Gail Klapper. I'm a fourth-generation Coloradan, citizen of the West. I'm most proud of the fact that I was able to find a career that used my legal background and allowed me to move to my passion.
She has always been committed to public service. She was a White House fellow, and then she came back to Colorado and was in the governor's cabinet in a couple of different positions. She has continued to practice law, but most importantly, she has continued to be very involved in Colorado public policy on a variety of boards and committees and at the Colorado Forum.
She doesn't hesitate to take on tough problems or challenges or whatever. She's a very determined, which the job of leading the forum is as good example as you can find, because you have people from all over Colorado, from various walks of life, various political convictions, and yet she manages it flawlessly.
When the forum speaks, it is not a partisan voice. It's a very grounded, Coloradan, innovative voice. And Gail has been the heart and soul of the forum for decades.
I grew up really interested in wanting to lead for change. And what I discovered going to law school was that it allowed me the focus, the discipline, the ability to look at problems in a different way, to try to solve problems constructively. And that was a wonderful training opportunity for what I really had a passion to do.
Gail has this unique skill of bringing disparate interest people together. She has this ability to bring them together and to identify that sweet spot where they can actually come together, forge a consensus, and move forward in an area where that hasn't happened before. And she has consistently done that throughout her career.
I could tell you that it was some of the cases I'd solved. I could tell you that it was some of the boards I was able to chair. But really the best thing for me was the fact that I was able to create some balance between having 4 daughters, a husband who stuck through all of the turmoil with me for now 56 years, and now understanding that you can create that balance, that work and family and fun all are part of life.